Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all the new free assembly scoop and Sofia Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new plaid sets from Free Assembly has the smaller collar, full button, 2 flat pockets, button detail on the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside. And then that same fit through the back. Skirt has that little buckle detail with the wrap and the zipper in the back. New tees from Free Assembly. So these have a crew neckline, the little shoulder detail. It's a French terry material with all this little embellished kind of rhinestone flowers. Comes in the black, also in the white, and they'll be linked down below. These new puff sleeve sweaters from Scoop. They have that crew neckline, oversized puff sleeve, super soft stretchy sweater material with the rib bottom. That same fit through the back. Comes in the gray. They also have the white with the little sequins, sparkly gold. So these new pleated skirts from Free Assembly, they have this seam detailing at the top with the pleats. It's a longer length with the little side zip, and then that seam fit through the back, and they'll be linked down below. Right underneath that, new little tiered skirts from Scoop. So this is a thicker material. That's what it looks like up close. The double tier with the same fit through the back also has that smocking in the gold. It's almost like a green tone, also in the black. Also new from Free Assembly are these little crochet paneled sweatshirts. So these have a crew neckline, this little crochet detailing, relaxed fit, has that rib bottom. That's what they look like on the inside. Rib wrists, little shoulder detail, also has the crochet going through the back. Comes in white, also in the navy, and they'll be linked down below. And also new from Scoop are these sweater dresses. These have that mock neckline, sleeveless, fit and flare, maxi length. That's what the material looks like up close. So it's a hatchy knit, and then that seam fit through the back. Look how pretty the pleats are in the pink, and then it also comes in the gray. Pretty is this sweater vest from Free Assembly. So it has that V neckline, sleeveless, little pearl and rhinestone detail, and then the same fit through the back. Looks like there's only gray. Also new from Scoop is this sweater dress. So this one has that crew neckline, oversized puff sleeve with the gold polka dots, shorter fit through the front and the back. And also new is this mock neck top from Scoop. So this has that high neckline. It's a stretchy material. That's what it looks like on the inside. Also has that underarm coverage with the little ruching, and then the same fit through the back. Only seeing the green. New denim shirt from Free Assembly has this smaller collar, full buttons, 2 flat pockets, has this little embellished detail on the collar, and then gathering on the wrist. That scoop in the middle, and then the seam detail in the back. Underneath that, they have these new cable knit sweater pants from Free Assembly. So these are super soft and stretchy. They have that elastic waistband, also has a functioning side pocket. It's a wide leg, and then that seam fit through the back. Denim from Free Assembly. These are high rise, this straight leg. That seam fit through the back, and they're going to be at $26. And then they also have them in a darker wash, and it looks like they restocked the front pocket jeans. So these are high rise, wide through the leg. We saw this color, this mid-tone. Now they also have the dark indigo, and they're $26. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that crew neckline, has the rhinestone buttons. Look how pretty. Has the oversized kind of thicker sleeve, and then has the rib bottom. Seam fit through the back. That's what the material looks like up close. In the pink, also comes in the black. Also know how cute is this little set from Free Assembly. Has the crew neckline, drop sleeve, rib dress with the rib bottom, little rhinestone floral detail, and then the seam fit through the back. And right beneath that to match, they have the skirt. So this one has Elastic waistband, the same kind of rhinestone detailing, fit and flares out. No rhinestones on the back. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, oversized gold buttons. How pretty is that detail with the front pockets? Relaxed through the wrists. Has that same print running through the back in the red and black. This one looks like it's a favorite. It's flying off the shelves, the white and blue. And print running through the back. How cute are these multicolored striped sweaters from Free Assembly? So they have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, has the oversized ribbed wrists. How pretty is the detail? And then the same fit through the back. I like this one because it's not like too Christmassy with the red and green. They also have the blues in there. And then they also have a neutral white, gray, and black. A new little fuzzy sweater from Free Assembly. So these have a high neckline, more of that boxy fit. Ribbed bottom, has that drop sleeve, and then the same kind of boxy fit through the back. New cardigan. How pretty is this one from Free Assembly? So look how pretty it looks up close. Like that fuzzy detail, has the oversized gold buttons, 2 front pockets, has that banded wrist, and then the same fit through the back. And then on this side, how pretty is this cardigan with the skirt set? So it has the high neckline, really pretty medallion buttons, faux pockets, 2 functioning pockets at the bottom, relaxed wrist, that shorter fit, comes in the green and navy, also in this red and blue. And then to match, they have the pull-on skirt. So it's pull-on, fit and flare in those same colors, the red and green. It's that same kind of sweater material. And then red and blue skirt. Wash jeans from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have this kind of bleach detailing. Pockets on the back. New Henley top from Scoop. So this has that plunging V, the gold buttons. It's fitted through the wrist, super soft and stretchy. Comes in the ivory, also in the black. And they're $15. New mock neck sweater dresses from Free Assembly. These have the rib neckline, that side seam detail, short sleeve, 2 front pockets with the drop tier. Continues around the back. This is the medium, that's the extra small. So it is a little relaxed. In the navy, also comes in the red, and they're $26. New cargo denim from Scoop. So these have the little buckle detail, has the whiskering balloon style, and then pockets on the back. They're called the carpenter jeans, and they'll be linked down below. New little plush jacket from Sofia. So this one has the high neckline, has snap buttons, 2 front pockets, completely lined. It's that boxy fit. Look at how good is all this. Seam fit through the back. New pieces from Scoop in the scuba material. So this has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, banded wrist with the banded bottom. This is the extra small. The wrist looks really small. So I think they have the sizes a little smaller. And then the pants are pull on. They have that seam detailing, wide flowy leg. So they have this new brown color, and then they also have both pieces in the black, and this fuchsia is new. New blazer style jacket from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, the 2 flat pocket, oversized ribbed wrist, completely lined on the inside, and then that seam detail in the back. New sweater dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, sleeveless, that rhinestone detailing, midi length fit and flare. No rhinestones on the back, but this material is really nice and stretchy. New mint colored cardigan from Scoop. This one has a plunging V, tortoise buttons, ribbed wrist with a ribbed bottom. That same fit through the back. This is a nice kind of tunic length. Is from Free Assembly. Folds over, ribbed like thick sweater material. Has that ribbing on the side, relaxed fit, ribbed bottom, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the gray, also in the navy, and they'll be linked down below. New dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these have that high neckline, this textured material, sleeveless, the little ruching on the side, longer length, and then has the little keyhole in the back. She's wearing it in the ad there. So it comes in brown, also in black, and they're $22. Also new from Sofia Vergara are these denim jackets. They have this smaller collar, full button, raw hem. Comes in at the waist, has that button detail, and then you could see the little buttons to pull it in. These are going to be $32. No scoop puff sleeve dress. Has that high neckline, a little shoulder detail. Seam under the bust is a nice kind of stretchy material. And then the same fit through the back. This one is, it looks like the price is gone. And then also in that color, it's this one also from Scoop. It looks like it's a new maxi length skirt in that scuba material. Has the slits on the side, pull on. New skinny jeans from Sofia Vergara. These have the double button. It's fitted through the leg. It's really a nice stretch denim with that seam detail at the top. And these are going to be $25. Longer plaid coat from Free Assembly. So this one has the higher neckline with the little collar, relaxed through the wrist with that button detail, full buttons all the way down. It's nice and long with the two front pockets completely lined, and then has that same fit through the back. And they're going to be $59. New denim puffer from Free Assembly. This one has that mock neck. It has this little fold over on the shoulder, relaxed through the wrist. Inside it is completely lined with the gold hardware. Mock neck when it's zipped up, and then the side pocket with the little toggle on the side, and that same fit through the back. And these are $48. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has the curled buttons, has that side seaming, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, seam fit through the back in the gray, also comes in the navy and white. Balloon style tops from Free Assembly. These have the little tie detail. It's a really thick kind of jacquard material, has that elastic with the elastic bottom. And these are going to be $26. I think this one's so nice to dress up or down. New coats from Free Assembly. So this is a corduroy material. Has that elastic on the wrist, quilted, has the elastic in the waist, side pocket with this belt, little tie, side tie, hood in the back. Oh, it makes little bows. So only seeing it in the black, and these are $48. New scarf pea coats from Free Assembly. This is a huge trend for fall and winter with the little scarf attached like that. Has that high neckline, nice oversized buttons, drop sleeve, relax through the wrist. All like the high-end designers are doing that. And the navy also comes in the green, and they're $44. Those are so cute. So new sweater dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that high neckline with the ribbing, a little bit of a drop sleeve, also relaxed on the wrist. You could see it kind of flows out. Maxi length with the slit, and then the same fit through the back. And they're going to be $26. First, we have new denim from Free Assembly. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering. It's a straight leg, faded through the front, and then also through the back. We have the new Melissa flares. You guys know I love these. They're super high rise. They have the whiskering, the perfect flare at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. So they have this dark wash. I showed that one in a previous haul, like the jeans and tee try on, and those are $25. Also restocked the oversized jackets from Sofia. So these have the mid-size collar, full functioning buttons, and two flat pockets, western seam detail with the button on the wrist, and then the seam across the back. And they are going to be $25. New scoop barrel leg jeans. So these are high rise. They have the side pocket, the little flat pocket with the little toggle, so you could do straight leg or jogger. No pockets on the back. In the black, they also come in the green. The green color is a little bit thinner. It's more of like a twill material, and these are $28. New blazer and skirt set from Scoop. So the blazer has the squared neckline, functioning buttons all the way down, faux pockets, fitted through the wrist, and then the same kind of fit through the back. It comes in, has a little bit of a shoulder pad, and They'll be linked down below. To match, they have these pull-on skirts from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, fit and flares out. The material on both pieces are so nice. And then the same kind of fit. Only seeing them both in black. Cropped sweaters from Scoop. These have that crew neckline, short sleeve. It is that Angora look with the ribbed bottom. In the ivory with the black. It's almost like a gray. And then they also have a green camo look. Also new button-down shirt from Scoops. It is a lightweight material. Has the smaller collar, full button detail on the wrist with the gathering. Scoops in the middle with the seam in the back. So this is the new style in the black. Also in ivory, and these are $22. The style they had last year, it has like 2 pockets. I shared it in a haul. Those are on sale for like under $10, so I'll have those as linked as well. New shoes from Scoop. So they have this new boot, has a little bit of a square toe, that seam detail, chunky heel, stretchy with the zipper on the inside, and these are $52. So new studded boot from Scoop. These are almost completely flat. They have that square toe, that seam detail with the zipper on the back, and they're $52. Sneak peek shoes from Scoop. So these have a pointed toe, really cute little bow back with a stiletto. How adorable. I think I need these, and they're going to be my favorite shoes for the holidays, and these are $36. Also new from Scoop are these little, like a grommet ballet flat. So these have the rounded toe, has a lot of coverage at the top, and then almost completely flat, and these are going to be $36. New flats from Scoop. These have that square toe, this elastic little sling back with the buckle. Into price. And then right next to that, a new leopard boot. These have a little bit of a pointed toe, kitten heel, zipper on the inside, and they're $52. New flats from Scoop. So these have the rounded toe, this little Mary Jane buckle. It's open through the front, almost completely flat. So a new boot from Scoop. So this one has the pointed toe fold over with that zipper detail. Also has the zipper on the inside. The quality on these is so nice, and they're $52. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.